Today, we are talking about how to monetize YouTube without showing your face. Many people want to start a YouTube channel, but they feel shy, uncomfortable on camera, or simply want privacy. The good news is that you can still build a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. In fact, many large channels today use voiceovers, screen recordings, stock footages, animations, AI visuals, tutorials, or slideshow style videos. Some creators even build full business from faceless YouTube channels. So in this video, we will talk about how faceless YouTube channel works, and we will talk about the different ways you can monetize them successfully. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description, because by using the description link, discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is choosing the right type of content. Some niches work especially well for faceless YouTube channels. For example, technology tutorials, software reviews, finance videos, motivational content, educational videos, top 10 style videos, AI tools, productivity tips, and animation channels. They can all work without showing your face. Screen recording tutorials are one of the easiest options for beginners. You simply record your computer screen while explaining something with your own voice, or maybe you can use the AI voices. Many software and tutorial channels grow this way. Another popular format is stock footage videos. In this style, creators use video clips, graphics, screenshots, and text animations while adding voiceovers. Many documentary, business, and educational channels use this method successfully. You can also use AI tools and animation platforms to create videos. Some creators use AI voice tools, motion graphics, whiteboard animation, or slideshow videos. But remember one thing, the content should still feel useful, original, and engaging. Simply uploading low quality AI videos usually does not work long term. Now, let's talk about the monetization. The first and most common method is YouTube AdSense. Once your YouTube channel reaches the YouTube Partner Program requirements, you can start earning money from ads by shown on your videos. Another powerful method is affiliate marketing. For example, if you create software reviews, tutorial videos, or business content, you can place affiliate links in the description. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Many faceless YouTube channels make more money from affiliate marketing than from YouTube ads. Sponsorship are another monetization option. As your channel grows, brands may pay you to mention their products or services inside your video. Even faceless YouTube channel can get a sponsorship deal if they have a strong audience and good engagement. Selling digital products is also very popular. Many creators sell ebook, templates, presets, online courses, Notion templates, or digital guides related to their niche. For example, a productivity channel can sell planners or workflow templates. Another monetization strategy is offering services. If your channel teaches skills like graphic design, video editing, marketing, or web development, then viewers may contact you for freelance work or consultant services. Now, let's talk about an important thing many beginners ignore: consistency. Faceless channels usually take time to grow. You need consistent uploads, searchable topics, and useful content. Many useful channels upload regularly for months before seeing the major results. Thumbnail and title quality are also extremely important because viewers cannot connect with your face. This means your thumbnails, visuals, and video topics must attract attention strongly. Another useful strategy is focusing on evergreen content. Evergreen videos are topics people continue searching for over time. Tutorials, comparisons, business guides, software reviews, and educational videos often continue getting views for months or even years. You should also improve your audio quality because voice becomes more important in faceless videos. Even a simple microphone upgrade can make video sound much more professional. The best part about faceless YouTube channel is scalability. Some creators eventually outsource scripting, editing, voiceovers, and thumbnail design to build multiple channels at the same time. So yes, it is completely possible to monetize YouTube channel without showing your face. The real focus should be creating valuable content that people actually want to watch. So that's it basically for today's video. Hope this video helped you to understand different ways to monetize a faceless YouTube channel and grow online without being on camera. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description links for useful creator tools or software offers. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video.